qualified in any other country outside the UK, the United Kingdom, and you would like to move to UK to practice as a dental nurse, and you don't want to go through the study route, you don't want to go through the stress of registering with the GDC, you don't have the money to start the GDC registration process and everything that comes with it, this is another opportunity for you, right? Even if you're not a dental nurse, maybe you're a dental therapist, you're a dentist, you're a dental technologist, but you don't want to go through that stress of registering with the GDC, this is another way that you can easily move to UK as a dental nurse. And maybe when you get to UK as a dental nurse, you might decide to switch or find a better options, right, of switching to your main profession. Okay, if you would like to take this route, then stick around and watch this video to the end. Before I proceed, kindly like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're my new viewer, and also thank you for sticking to my channel. Okay, so let's get started. I was doing some research and I found out about this opportunity, and I decided to share it with my YouTube community. And this opportunity is moving to the UK under the traineeship program. Okay, moving to the UK as a trainee dental nurse. You know what a trainee is? You are moving to train. Okay, you're maybe to train, but not in a university, right, but in a clinical setting, in a hospital. Okay, as a professional, right? So you have this option, or you have this opportunity to move to the UK as a trainee dental nurse. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you in this video. So as a trainee dental nurse in UK, you will be training to get qualified. Okay, you can, depending on the organization or the clinic or the hospital, some trainee programs can last, some traineeship programs can last for as long as 18 months, for as long as 2 years, right? So it depends on the duration set by the clinic, by the hospital, right? But one advantage of moving as a trainee is that you will get paid. Yes, you will get paid, and also you are not going to pay a dime. I mean, you are going to get paid. It's as good as you're working and also training. You're getting on the job experience, right? But you're not paying, and they are paying you. And at the end, you are getting a certificate. And with that certificate, one good thing with this route is that with that certificate, you can now apply to register with the GDC. Isn't it amazing? This is an amazing part. Okay, so how can you get these traineeship opportunities or traineeship jobs? Okay, so I'm going to be listing with you in this video websites and clinics, websites and hospitals where you can get a traineeship opportunity as a dental nurse in UK. Okay, all you have to do is set your CV ready, set your CV to a Euro standard format, and then write your IELTS, although some write your IELTS, right? Then get a proper cover letter, write a proper cover letter, and submit your application directly to them, right? And another good thing is that most of these traineeship opportunities for dental nurses in UK, most of them comes with visa sponsorship. Guys, isn't it amazing? It is amazing, and I want you to take this opportunity. Okay, most of them comes with a visa sponsorship. So I'm going to be showing you how you can search for those ones that comes with visa sponsorship, and the route you can take. Okay, the platforms where you can get these ones, right? So when you finally find these ones that are ready to sponsor you, or the ones that are not ready to sponsor you, you submit your applications. So after submitting your applications, then you wait for them for the response. If your application is found worthy enough, they will contact you for interview, and after your interview and you get the job, that is your sure ticket. So with that, your job offer, you can apply for a work visa, not even a student visa to the UK, a work visa. Okay, because you have that big clinic or big hospital or big company backing you up, they can help you with all the supporting documents that you need to apply for your work visa, right? So when you are done, you will easily move to UK. And one good thing moving with this part is that you can move with your dependents. Yeah, you can easily move with your dependent. Okay, so Okay, at this point, if you're gaining value from this video or you learn something new from this video, kindly like this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's free, right? If you have questions or you would like to give me a review, kindly leave it at the comments section. Okay, so when you are done processing all these things, you can easily move to the UK through this route, right? And when you're done with a program, you easily register with the GDC, and by then you must have landed another job, or where you did your traineeship they might retain you, right? And you become one of the permanent staffs. As easy as that. Okay, so I can't wait for you to try this out. And also, okay, so so let's get NHS. Just come to Google and type NHS jobs. Then the first one load, you click on it. This NHS website is the real website, like the main website that you can see most of all these traineeship opportunities, traineeship job offers for dental nurses, okay, in the UK. Okay, so all you have to do, once you go there, you go to search. Okay, you go to search, you can see search for jobs in the NHS. You can see, for example, so here, then we're going to search for dental nurse traineeship, right? Just search for the whole UK so that you have diverse options. So I'm going to click on search. Okay, guys, these are lots of, okay, let me just do dental nurse trainee search. So guys, these are lots of dental nurse opportunities. Can you guys see it? It's brought out 7,653 jobs found for dental nurse training, right? So you keep going. These opportunities are for dental nurses, like qualified dental nurses. You can see there are lots of job openings for dental nurses, right? There are lots of job openings for dental nurses. So, but you cannot apply for these dental nurse jobs unless you're registered with the GDC. I made a video on how you can register with the GDC. Okay, so you can check them out. Okay, but what we are concentrated on is the training program. So this training program is also the same thing with apprentice dental nurse. Okay, but we'll come back to this later. Okay, let's just look for, without wasting much time, we just click on that apprenticeship. But it is the same thing with the trainee dental nurse that we are looking for. Okay, you can see this one. Okay, this one is for normal nurses, not for dental nurses. All right, my network is taking time to load, but I think we should go with that first one. You can see there are lots and lots of openings for dental nurses, guys. There are a lot of them. So if you're registered with the GDC, you can easily apply for this. For dental nurses, my network is taking time. My network is taking time. Okay, guys, we are back. So this is it. Let's move to, what is on my network? Sorry, guys, my network. These days now there is network issue everywhere. So this is the first one. So let's search it. Apprentice dental nurse. This apprentice dental nurse is the same thing with the traineeship dental nurse. Okay, so let's just click on it so that you see in details what I am trying to tell you. Okay, this application is still on. So if you apply now, you will be among the it's still early for you to apply. Okay, the closing date is 24th March. Okay, so there's still time for you to apply. Now, this is the explanation of the job. Okay, you will have the opportunity to meet and engage with academic staff, tutors. Like this, guys, just take your time to read. Let's just go through it together so that you see that you have more than 500 other searches to go. You don't have to be clicking. You just have to be going through it. Just be going through it, okay? So these are the job description. As a dental nurse apprentice, you will need good work ethics and you're able to support and communicate with patients, as another. These are the job duties that is required. Now, this is the person specification, what is needed of you. You just need an essential. As someone that wants to apply, that is qualified as a dental nurse in your country or as a dental personnel in your country, you have a better chance if you prepare your application very well. Okay, so you just have these skills. Okay, then you have first aid or CPR training, of course, you have a better chance as a professional already in the field. Okay, so you skills, this is another skills that you need: ability to communicate, good customer care. I think just once you have a strong application, you will have a better chance. And guess what, guys? This is another interesting, in fact, the most interesting part of applying for these roles: apprenticeship and traineeship programs through NHS. Not only will they pay you guys, but take a look at this certificate of sponsorship. Okay, applicants from job seekers who require current skilled worker sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applicants. For further information, visit the UK. So if you're applying outside of UK in another country, guys, you are qualified to apply. So it is still on. Take the opportunity now and apply now, okay? And you can get yourself a sponsorship. You can see it boldly written, okay? Sponsorship. So why not take this offer? You see, there are lots and lots of them in this NHS or website. So you keep searching. If you don't like the location of this job, or if you don't like how much they pay, or if you don't meet the requirements, just look for, keep searching, keep scrolling, and you will see plenty offers. You have up to 500 openings of this job. Okay, so if you qualified as a dental nurse, dental therapist, dentist, dental technician in another country, through this route is a very good path for you to easily migrate. Okay, so you can click on the employer website and know more about the employer. Okay, and you can apply through the employer website. But for you to apply directly from this website, let's apply directly through NHS. Now let's go to salary. What they intend to pay? They intend to pay 12,514 to 22,369,000 euros per year. So when you convert this money to your local currency, you know how much you'll be earning per year. Okay. So contract apprenticeship duration is 18 months. 18 months should be a year and some months, right? And you'll be working for full time. Now, this is the job location: Guys and St. Thomas NHS Trust, Grace Mays Pond, London. This job is located in London, guys. Okay. So this is an opportunity for you. So if you want to apply for this role, you just click on apply for this job. Okay. Once you click on apply for this job, they say you'll be redirected from this site to the employer's recruitment site, where you register or log into your account. Okay. So from there, once you click continue, right? Once you click continue, guys, it will take you directly to the page, or to the official page, the official website, where you need to submit your application, and that is all about it. And that is how you are going to apply for all other that is how you are going to apply for all other opportunities that you see. It is as simple as that. All you need to do is prepare a very good application, write a very good cover letter, statement of purpose. You need to submit it, prepare your CV properly, and just try to convince them, and you are good to go. Okay, so guys, I wish you luck as you apply, and also look out for other openings through the website, just like I showed you guys in this video. Okay, if you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Okay, and I will answer you right away. At this point, like this video if you gain value, and also don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thank you guys for watching. And for that LinkedIn site that we opened for the first time, I don't know, it is taking time to load. But even at that, guys, if you don't have a LinkedIn app, just register, download to LinkedIn, then go to job, type trainee dental nurse roles in UK, and it will bring out lots and lots of opportunities for you. And all you just have to do is apply, and you are good to go. Okay, and you'll be moving step forward to migrating to your desired country, right? So, all right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.